Winters are the best time to have sesame seeds as being full of good fats. It helps keep us warm. Hello, this is Trishla, clinical nutritionist at Zyla Health. As soon as winters arrive, the first thing that flashes over our mind is tilka laddu. A tilka laddu with a warm cup of tea or coffee is the perfect evening snack we can have. And winters are the best time to have sesame seeds as being full of good fats. It helps keep us warm. Let us look a little more into this amazing winter superfood. Being a rich source of calcium, magnesium, iron, and other nutrients, we can very easily include it in our routine. We could add a teaspoon of powdered sesame seeds to our fruits or salads. As mentioned earlier, we can also have tilka laddu or as tilki chikki. Also, we can add it to our pulao for that nice nutty flavor. So time for a few more health benefits. First of all, being full of omega fatty acid, it helps in strengthening our hair roots, prevent hair damage, and also boost hair growth. Secondly, the oils present in sesame seed have anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties which helps keep our skin healthy and glowing. Thirdly, being a good source of calcium and zinc, it is a must for our bone health. It helps strengthen our bone and also prevent osteoporosis. Fourthly, suffering from constipation. Do have sesame seeds in such cases, and the fibers and oils present in sesame seeds would help lubricate our intestine and help in better bowel movement. So why wait? Hurry and include sesame seeds in your routine. Do share it with your friends and family too. Thank you so much for listening and working on your health. To watch more such videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if looking for health management program, you could download the app from App Store or Play Store. The link is in the description below. Thank you.